tried to bring the kids along, but they're away at Mount Panther. They'd have loved this. Get them slaloming down here. Cool, how'd that one feel?
A bit better. Definitely do better though.
Cool. Take a breather and then go one more time. From an outside observation point of view, the last 3 corners,
Yeah.
you're starting to get a lot smoother.
Yep. Felt a bit better.
So take that aggression and attack these top corners in the same way. Grassy surface. I know you're in pain.
Yeah.
Rachel's injured, by the way, so she's kind of fighting through the pain barrier right now. But yeah, really get aggressive with the top corners as well. So you kind of went from that high position. By the
Yeah,
bottom,
and then
you were
got really
getting,
low.
getting yourself down low. Go low from the top. Whenever you're ready. That's it. Really get that head. That's it. Good, good, good. Fantastic. That's all right. Don't worry about missing the gate. It's good job you're fit. It's perfect interval session right here. So how did that one feel?
Sort of felt a little bit better in the first couple, and then lost it a bit.
Yeah, started missing cones. What do you think you were missing cones?
I think it was maybe approaching too early, trying to turn too early, or
Okay, cool.
yeah, I think once I lost one, then I was far too close then for the next cone, so
Okay.
my rhythm was completely off then.
No worries.
Some timing.
Right, give it another go.
Okay.
So down low from the start, so even from the start line here, sink yourself into that really aggressive position. And then it's just a case of doing what you already know. Straighten the correct arm, drop the correct foot, and look where you want to get to. That's it, good. Nice. Okay, so seeing a nice transfer side to side.
Yeah.
And it's definitely looking smoother.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to practice this. We'll give Rachel loads of time to practice
Yeah.
later on, but for the sake of the session and this not being an hour's worth of footage, we're going to throw something else in there, and we're going to get you racing, okay? Only fair. So the way it's going to work, instead of going between the cones, what you're going to do is the rider on the right is going to go around the outside of the yellow cones on the right hand side, and the rider on the left can go through the middle.
Okay.
And then as you cut across and do the orange cones, the rider on the left will have to go around the outside,
Okay.
and the rider on the left goes through the middle.
Got
It makes perfect sense. Basically, you're going to be parallel to each other, so rather than crossing lines,
Got you.
you're going to go wide of the cones alternately.
First on the right was right at yellows, but inside the oranges.
Yeah, so you're not going around the outside of the yellow and around the outside of the orange, because that means crossing across the line.
Yeah.
And it also means that you're doing twice the distance to the other person.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, you get to do wide on one, then tight on one, then wide on one, then tight on one. So we're going to do 2 races. I'm going to let you swap sides, okay, just to fry your heads, and also to make it fair. So Rachel, for this first one, you're going to go through the middle of the yellow cones,
And then on the
and then you'll be the outside of the orange. Jack, you're going to be going around the outside of the right-hand yellow cone, and then through the middle. Happy enough?
Cool.
Cool. Straight
Oh,
race,
dear.
you know, usual
Oh,
rules
dear.
apply, no contact,
This could go
no
so
smashing into each other. It's all about cornering style. Sorry, I should say one more thing before you go. You're not allowed to pedal.
Okay.
Okay, so it's pedal free. It's all about that cornering technique and maintaining speed.
Sweet. Okay.
Happy enough?
Yeah, let's give it
Right.
a
I
go.
think so.
Good luck. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's a pedal, Jack. That's a
Yeah.
pedal. We'll add 10 seconds to his time for a start. Yeah, nice. Very good. Okay, cool. So just so you can have a breather and have a think. Rachel, why did Jack pull away from you there? What happened?
His cornering was better. I'm just gonna say it simply.
So you were still together. So together through
Yeah.
the first one, together through the second, together at the third, and then he kind of
It just kinda
disappeared.
went.
So you can hold on to him.
Yeah.
What did he do?
Did he lean? I don't know. He just leant down more, maybe. I think.
I think he just kept the commitment going.
Yeah.
I think that's what it was. He was just getting a bit more aggressive with it. So we'll get you swapping sides to make sure that one line isn't definitely
Yeah,
easier than the
that's-
other.
that's-
We'll find out now. And then same rules apply. Okay, so Rachel, you'll go around the outside of the right first one, and then you go through the middle of the orange. Jack, you're going through the yellows and round the outside
He's
of the
really
orange.
taking this seriously.
Oh yeah, hang off the gate now as well.